Topic: Cooking Techniques. Level A2. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about some basic cooking techniques that can help you prepare delicious meals at home. Cooking is a fun and useful skill, and knowing a few techniques can make it easier to create tasty dishes. One of the most common cooking techniques is boiling. Boiling is when you cook food in hot water. It's great for making pasta, rice, and vegetables. To boil food, you simply bring a pot of water to a boil and then add your ingredients. Make sure to keep an eye on the food so it doesn't overcook. Another technique is frying. Frying is when you cook food in hot oil. There are different types of frying, like deep frying and pan frying. Deep frying is when you cook food in a lot of oil, like French fries. Pan frying uses less oil and is good for cooking things like eggs or chicken. When frying, be careful with the hot oil and make sure the food is cooked evenly. Baking is another popular cooking technique. Baking is when you cook food in the oven. It's perfect for making bread, cakes, and roasted vegetables. When baking, it's important to preheat the oven so that the food cooks properly. Also, use the right temperature and time for the recipe to make sure your dish turns out well. Steaming is a healthier cooking technique. Steaming is when you cook food with steam from boiling water. It's great for cooking vegetables, fish, and dumplings. To steam food, you can use a steamer basket or a special steaming pot. Steaming helps keep the food's nutrients and flavor. Finally, grilling is a technique that many people enjoy, especially in the summer. Grilling is when you cook food on a grill over an open flame or hot coals. It's perfect for cooking meat, vegetables, and even fruit. Grilling gives food a nice smoky flavor, but you need to watch the food closely to avoid burning it. In conclusion, these basic cooking techniques, boiling, frying, baking, steaming, and grilling, can help you prepare a variety of meals at home. By practicing these techniques, you can improve your cooking skills and enjoy delicious homemade food. Thank you for listening.